In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Vids for e-commerce marketing. Imagine having a powerful tool at your fingertips, capable of boosting your e-commerce marketing efforts to new heights. That's where Google Vids comes in, an innovative platform that allows you to create engaging and professional videos with ease. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to the digital realm, this guide will walk you through how to harness the potential of Google Vids for your e-commerce business. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Google Vids. It's as simple as opening your favorite web browser and typing in the Google Vids website. Once there, you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface designed to help you jumpstart your video creation process. The next step involves signing in. On the Google Vids homepage, locate and click on the Sign In button. This step is crucial as it allows you to access your Google account and ensure all your work is saved and synchronized across your devices. Choose the Google account you wish to use for this project. If you have multiple accounts, select the one that you use for business purposes to keep your work organized. Once signed in, you're ready to start creating. Navigate to the File menu. It's here that all your creative endeavors begin. Within this menu, you'll find the option New Video. Click on that and you're on your way to crafting your first piece of e-commerce marketing content with Google Vids. The platform is robust, offering various themes and templates tailored to different marketing needs and industries, including e-commerce. To find what suits your project best, type e-commerce marketing into the search bar. This will narrow down your options, presenting you with video templates and themes designed specifically for e-commerce marketing. After selecting a template that resonates with your brand and campaign goals, click on Next. Now it's time to personalize your video. Google Vids provides an intuitive interface for arranging and editing elements within your video. Whether you're adding product images, customer testimonials, or detailed descriptions, the platform's drag and drop editor simplifies the process. You can rearrange elements to match your vision perfectly, ensuring your video tells your brand story in the most engaging way possible. Once you're happy with the arrangement, proceed by clicking Next again. Here you enter a visually creative domain where design plays a key role. Google Vids offers a selection of designs and visual themes that can be the cornerstone of your video's aesthetic. Select a design that aligns with your e-commerce brand's identity and marketing objectives. This step is instrumental in ensuring your video not only communicates effectively, but does so with a style that captivates your audience. Finally, with your design selected, it's time to bring your vision to life. Click on Create the Draft Video. Google Vids will then work its magic, assembling your inputs into a cohesive, polished draft video. This is not just any video, it's a reflection of your e-commerce brand, tailored to engage, inform, and persuade your target audience. But don't just stop there. Remember, the draft video is a starting point. View it critically, make necessary adjustments, and refine it until it hits the mark. Google Vids allows for easy editing, so you can iterate until your video meets your standards of perfection. In summary, using Google Vids for your e-commerce marketing can transform how you engage with your audience. It demystifies video production, making it accessible and manageable, regardless of your technical skills or marketing experience. By following the steps outlined, from signing in to creating your draft video, you can harness the power of video content to elevate your e-commerce marketing strategy and let the creativity flow. The digital landscape is vast, and with tools like Google Vids, the opportunities are limitless. Explore, create, and innovate. Your e-commerce brand has a unique story to tell, and with Google Vids, you can tell it in a way that resonates, engages, and converts. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for joining me in learning how to use Google Vids for e-commerce marketing. Dive in, explore the possibilities, and watch your e-commerce business thrive.